Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, so I'm going to talk money, and it is July 24th, which means we are exactly 1 week away from a very critical activity. What is it? No guesses. Yes, filing of our IT returns.
इतनी जल्दी क्या है? भर देंगे आराम से।
वेल हम में से बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि हाँ थोड़ा सा पोस्टपोनमेंट तो कर ही देंगे, सो आराम से वील फाइल द टैक्सेस, बट देन if they don't do it, you will have to pay interest and a levy under 234A and 234F. So yes, 7 ही दिन बचे हैं. In case you have not filed taxes, then this would be a great time to do so. And if you have some queries related to tax, then maybe today's video is going to be helpful. So let's see what's in store. Firstly, does everybody have to file tax? Well, if you're someone who's thinking that no, my income is not, that high, why should I pay taxes or why should I file my return? Well, a new tax regime has got a higher tax slab, so do I really have to file a tax return? Well, there are 10 conditions, and please listen carefully. If you are fulfilling any one of these 10 conditions, you have to file taxes. Number 1, in case your salary income is more than 2.5 lakhs per annum, in case your gross business receipts, sales turnover is more than 60 lakhs, in case your income from profession or gross receipt from profession is more than 10 lakhs, in case you actually have a foreign asset, or maybe you are a signing authority in a foreign bank, or if you have, let us say, deposited an amount of 50 lakhs as an individual in a savings account, or a crore or more in a current account. अगर आपने 2 लाख से ज़्यादा फॉरेन ट्रैवल पे स्पेंड किया है, या फिर आपको किसी लॉस का या किसी एक्सपेंस का रिफंड क्लेम करना है, आपको अपने लॉस को आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना है, या फिर in case you are paying electricity bill more than 1 lakh a year, all these conditions are actually present for you to be going ahead and filing the tax return. Let me just check if I have covered everything. Oh yes, last but not the least, if your TDS or TCS, जिसको कि हम tax deducted at source या tax collected at source से मानते हैं, I think I should do a video about that also. Then if that is more than 20,000, of course senior citizens के लिए सारे rates थोड़े से अलग हैं, but yes, if TDS or TCS is more than 20,000, then that also is a condition for you to file your ITR. So I hope you've got all the, yes, I have covered all the 10 points. So please go through all the 10 points again, and if you fulfill any one of them, then you're liable to pay tax. And like I was saying before, in case you just are not eligible to file an ITR, then it is still a good idea to file a nil tax return. बहुत सारी इसकी बेनिफिट्स हैं. कभी पासपोर्ट वीज़ा के काम आ सकता है, बिकॉज ITR इज़ अ वेरी वैलिड डॉक्यूमेंट. कभी कभी मान लीजिए यू हैव स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, बट आफ्टर दैट फॉर सम ईयर्स either you are not working or you've gone abroad to study, या फिर किसी वजह से आपकी इनकम डिप होती है. So it helps you in maintaining a continuity of the tax records. सारी चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड पे रहती हैं, इनकम, एक्सपेंसेस, या फिर आपको रिफंड्स के मामले में काम आता है, या फिर लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ अ कैश ट्रांजैक्शंस अगर आपने करा भी हो, लेकिन और फाइल आपकी स्क्रूटनी पे आ जाती है, लेकिन अगर आपने नील टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल किया है, देन even then it becomes like a good thing. So yes, make sure that you even if you don't have an eligible condition to file ITR, you still go ahead and do it by the 31st of July 2023. Well, how to file the tax? Well, pretty simple. You can either do it yourself. आजकल तो forms pre-filled आपको मिल जाएंगे. You just have to verify it, check against the AIS, जिसको हम बोलते हैं Annual Information Statement, and of course Form 26AS to reconcile against any fixed deposit returns or any interest or income from the bank side. You can reconcile all that, verify all that, and file it yourself. Of course, a better idea, personally I feel it's a better idea to seek the help of an auditor or an accountant or a CA. So जो भी रास्ता अपनाइए, but go ahead and file taxes. Please remember, we owe it. It's probably our legal and moral obligation to do so. So ज़्यादा मत सोचिए. Pay your taxes, and I'll see you next video with another topic. Take care and have a lovely week ahead.